Hello, I am Nicolai Lammert, the business unit leader for additive manufacturing and the general manager at YIZUMI Germany GmbH. My primary focus is on driving innovation and developing advanced manufacturing solutions that meet the evolving needs of our global customer base. Additive manufacturing is a manufacturing process that involves building three-dimensional objects by adding materials layer by layer. This technology is also commonly referred to as 3D printing. SpaceA is YIZUMI's flagship for pellet-based additive manufacturing, born from a groundbreaking research project at RWTH Aachen University. SpaceA has evolved into an industrial powerhouse, enabling cost-effective production for small batches and efficient manufacturing of large components. So we have different kinds of industries we are in, quite successful right now. That is for sure the automotive industry. And inside the automotive industry we are looking to structural parts of luxury cars. Structural parts because we can also process carbon fiber filled materials with high load cases, and for luxury cars for sure because the lot size per year is not that high, so we can start in this project from 10,000 to 50,000 parts. In the last 6 years, YIZUMI has successfully deployed SpaceA systems across 5 continents, supported by a dedicated team of application engineers who ensure smooth integration and operational success for our customers.